What about the 2010 Yamaha YZ450F? What's your take on that bike? Well, that bike is garbage. That 10 to 13 YZ450F was absolute garbage. Ask James Stewart. I got down to Skytop MX in Florida to train for a few weeks back in, I think it was 2010, 9 or 10. And I guess it was 9. And when I walked in there, that was the first time I'd seen the new YZ450F with the backwards motor and all that. One of the trainers down there had one. And I asked him, I said, man, what do you think about this new, this radically different backwards engine design and all this? And he said, well, I will tell you this. He said, the Honda I came off of handled better with a flat front tire than this Yamaha does. And I was like, whoa. And then it just kind of went on for 2 or 3 years that maybe that bike was a lot of the problems Stewart was having. They had a lot of issues. A lot of them blew up. Yes, Yamaha did eventually figure it out, and now they've got that design dialed for sure. It's awesome. But 10 to 13, I'd stay away from it, bro.